Let's see how to transfer domain from Squarespace to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger Edge panel. Now from the left menu click on Domains. Now click on Add New Domain. Select Transfer an existing domain. Add your Squarespace domain here. Now click on Transfer. We just need two things. The first one is domain is unlocked and we also need an authorization code. And here it's showing us the error domain is locked at the current registrar. So now we will log into our Squarespace account and select the domain that we want to transfer, and it will take us to the domain settings page. Here we will see the domain locked, so we are going to turn it off. After that we will go back to Hostinger and then click on check again. Once the domain is unlocked, we will see a purchase button here. Click on purchase. It will ask you for the authorization code. Go to Squarespace. Scroll down from the domain settings page and here you will see request transfer code. Just click on it and then click on send authorization code and you will receive the code on your registered email. Add the code to the purchase form, select Hostinger name servers and then click on purchase. In this way your Squarespace domain will be transferred to Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.